Hello. So I don't really have a plan for this week's video. We've been kind of really busy with work and house stuff, so this is just going to be more of a quick hi. How's it going? It's great to see you again.
When you're watching this is Veterans Day, so make sure to thank veterans as well as currently serving folks for their service and everything that they do to keep us safe so that we can keep doing everything that we enjoy doing here in this country. So thank you tremendously for that.
Jeeping and otherwise.
We've been incredibly busy with everything that's been going on between house stuff, prepping for house stuff.
If anyone has tips on glazing windows, please tell me. Please.
Glazing windows, painting 40-foot expanses on the side of a house.
Anyone have a really tall ladder?
But promise we'll get back to Jeeping eventually here.
Yeah, so as most of you know, or pretty much everyone knows, we are based out of Connecticut now. And something that we have realized thus far is the wheeling in Connecticut, there's much less of it because there is no wheeling in Connecticut on public property. It is only private. You have to know the right people, get in with a club, a local club, go on their days, and support them, and that's fine. They're all great people. However, the stuff here is way harder than North Carolina. Way harder. My Jeep is way overbuilt for URI, and it's way underbuilt for the stuff I do now. Somehow, Northeast wheeling is no joke. If you've been to Roush or AOAA, you know a little bit. But the further north and east you go, the harder it gets. So if you've seen some of our more recent videos, I'll put them somewhere if you're curious. But anyways, so we're based out of Connecticut now, so we're not doing nearly as much wheeling. But once I don't know where it's going with that. End of thought. Thought stop.
Once it gets too cold to work on a house outside, then we'll be working on a house inside and Jeeps inside, and the Jeeps will be in the snow.
Yeah. I'm excited to do more driving around in the snow, though.
Last year we didn't even shovel the driveway. We just put the Jeeps in low range and just drove out of the driveway in the snow.
It was great. Our driveway has this little loop kind of, so it joins up with the road in two different places. So we just kind of drove in circles and packed it down until it was good. And then my sister visited, and I had to shovel the driveway just for her. Rachel.
Those with low clearance. But that's all good. Thanks everybody for coming along all these weeks. We appreciate everybody sticking around. And again, thank you to everyone who has served and is continually serving. We really appreciate it, and thank you for your service.
And to that point, in the description box down below, we know a lot of people that have served or have organizations which support veterans, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and link some resources down there. If you're curious about, maybe you want to get involved or donate, whether you are a veteran or not. So I'll put some resources down there. If anyone needs help, please reach out. We're always here. And if you're curious about reading up on any organizations that, we support, we know, or just are big fans of, I'll put some links down in the description box. It's always good to be involved.
Appreciate you making it this far. Welcome to our kidnapping basement.
We have an old house, and this is the basement. We're going to make the basement, once we get it a little bit drier, it's going to be our backdrop.
It'll look a little bit nicer than this. We haven't installed the chains yet, though, so.
Some chains, some shackles. Yeah.
We do have these two trees.
Oh, yeah.
In this combo.
You have anything you want to say?
Chomp, chomp.
On that note, we're going to go spend some couch time with our dog. Also, he has an Instagram. I realize I've never said that before. So his Instagram is Atlas the Diva, and I will go ahead and plug him. He's very cute. We love him very much, and he is the best. Right?
Yes. More pets, please.
Okay. Well, he needs attention, clearly. So I'm gonna go edit this and spend time with the dog.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
That's literally it. That's literally it. That's the entirety of the video.